Welcome to my model tour here. We have the Blue Angel F-18. It's really cool, but you know what's even cooler? Another one. All right, then we have B-22. Osprey. Nice. We have an F-4 Phantom next to the F-35. Over here we got another F-35 and an AV-A2. And we have the Japanese Zero. We have an F-18. Come over to the model airport. I've aligned all the planes on a nice runway that we can see them all. First of all, we got the A-10 Warthog. Wait a minute. AKA my competitor. Then we have the F-16 Thunderbird. It's cool. Then moving up, we got the F-22 Raptor, yeah? Then we got the F-16, my personal favorite. I really like it because it's... Yeah, then we have the Eurofighter. Nice. Looks great. Then we have the another F-22 that's a little different. Admire it, man. Why is my camera fuzzy? Okay, we got the F-117 Nighthawk. Yeah. Hold on. Let me turn on radar. Where did it go? I turned on my radar and they disappeared. See, that's how stealthy they are. All right, moving up, we have the B-1 Lancer. In front of it is the B-1. Not the B-1, the B-2 right there, see? Let me turn off the radar. Let me see, there it is. All right, moving up. We have P-38, and lastly, the P-51 Mustang is missing its glass. So these are my planes. Thanks for watching. Subscribe so I can win in my competition.